In my practice nowadays, I am seeing young girls coming to me and asking to have how can I have flawless and beautiful skin without acne or acne marks. So I am going to share some beautiful remedies for you for getting rid of acne and even the marks which are left after the acne is gone. Now I'll discuss with you one very simple remedy for under eye dark circles or any kind of hyperpigmentation or freckles. You must be knowing about selenium husk. It's also called as isabgol. Also it is the highest source of fiber, plus it is very good detox, and also the people who have cholesterol or triglyceride problem can also have selenium husk or isabgol at night, 1 teaspoonful with warm water. When you put it in the water, it swells and the quantity will become 4 times. You just have to gulp it and then take another warm water in order to get it come down. Or even you can have Triphala powder. Triphala powder is made up of 3 fruit powder: harde, behda and amla. As everyone mostly knows about amla is Indian gooseberry, and it has highest source of vitamin C, and in place of having citric taste, it is not acidic in nature. It balances your pitta. That's why in sour taste, Avla is the best fruit to take. If you cannot get fresh Avla, you can use Amla powder, or even you can use Avla in the form of Triphala. So Triphala has harde, behda and Amla. This 3 fruit powder is very good for nourishing, for detoxing, for getting rid of constipation, as well as indirectly it will help you to get rid of acne and acne scars. So try to keep your system clean and detox with Triphala powder. Now I'll tell you some good local application remedies for the marks which remain after the pimples. This is a very effective and very nice smelling. It has very good fragrance because we are going to use sandalwood powder. So you just have to take sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoonful. It smells really good. So take natural sandalwood powder, and then you have to mix multani mitti, fuller's earth also you can say in English. So 1 teaspoonful of multani mitti, and then coriander powder or dhania powder, half a teaspoonful. Dhania is very good cooling agent, as well as it is very good for purifying the blood and cooling your skin. And mix rose water. So you see all the nice beautiful smelling herbs we are using in this remedy, because they are going to reduce the heat or pitta from the skin, and your skin will be cool. Also you can get rid of the pimple marks very easily with this remedy. So you just have to mix all of them properly. Make semi-solid kind of paste like this, and with the help of brush or with the help of finger, you can just take the paste and apply on the scars wherever you have pimples. You can even apply on the pimples, and slowly if you use it regularly once a day, after 1 or 2 weeks you will start seeing the pimples are going away and the skin is becoming normal and the texture is coming down to normal, and you will not get any pits or marks or hyperpigmentation which remains when you break the pimples or when you apply some antibiotics and it goes, then you get marks. But with this remedy you will never have any marks, and the skin will be like before, normal, natural and even. Now I'll share with you another very simple remedy for acne marks. It consists of honey. As everybody knows, honey is always used in mostly all beauty packs because it has very nice minerals and vitamins for the skin. So we'll have 1 teaspoonful of honey, It's the best tonic for the skin you can give. And a teaspoonful of almond oil. You have to mix. Less than quarter teaspoonful of turmeric. Don't use too much turmeric, otherwise your skin will be yellow. So turmeric is going to help you as natural antiseptic and natural antibiotic, and also it is called as Gauri Karan in Ayurveda, which means it can lighten your skin and make it more fair. And also you have to put some lemon juice, 2 teaspoonful lemon juice. Lemon juice is a rich source of vitamin C, as well as it will help to clear the excess oil which is secreted by your skin, and because of the excess oil the pores are getting blocked, and due to that you get pimples or acne. So like this you have to mix them properly and apply this liquid with the help of cotton over the area wherever you have acne marks, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then both the remedies which I told you, you have to keep it till it becomes dry. Don't allow it to remain on your face after it is dried, because if you let it for more time then your skin will become more dry and more problems you will get. So once it is dry, immediately you wash it off with a warm water, or you just first clean it and then wash your face with warm water. So these are very beautiful, very effective remedies. Hundreds of patients are using them with excellent result, and the marks, acne scars and even hyperpigmentations go away very effectively, and very simple remedies which you can use at home and get fantastic results. Friends, hope you enjoyed the simple remedies for acne scars. I'll be back with such more beautiful and simple remedies. Till then, bye-bye.
Subscribe for more such informative videos.